A video on the Honda Accord, as you can see. This is a 2008. Now the issue was my guy, his battery died. He changed his battery, and then the car, when he tried to start the car, it's like it had powers, all the whistles and bells was on, but it wasn't even cranking. It wasn't cranking. So of course it wasn't turning over. All right. So 9 times out of 10, if you're having the same exact problem, more than likely what you did was when you was changing your battery or whatever the case may be, messing with this stuff, maybe you made a touch, maybe time, and what that does, you know, it blows fuses. So if that happens to you, you change the battery, now you're trying to start your car, but it's not even cranking over. It's not even, you know, it's not doing nothing. It's not even cranking. You got to come to your fuse box here. You got 2 fuses here. You got your battery fuse, and you got another battery fuse. Not sure exactly if it is an exact battery fuse, but these are 2 fuses you need to focus on. In this case, the problem was with this fuse. We pulled it out. It has like 4 prongs. The prong on this one, it was burnt out. You know, the fuse part on this one right here, it was burnt out. So as you can see, we jumped the wire. We jumped a wire. We pulled it out. You gotta so to check it, you gotta pull this out. You need an 8mm socket. 8mm socket. Take the screw out with that. Bang. Once you do that, this whole thing, you can just pull it out, and you will see which one is burnt out. Once you see which fuse is burnt out, you got to jump that exact fuse with a wire. I use the regular wire, speaker wire, harness wire, you know, wires like this. It don't matter. You take it and you stick it inside. You got to stick it inside where that prong goes at. Make sure you stick it all the way in. And of course, you know, tie it up over here. And that's how you jump the fuse, and your car will start once you do that. So if that's so that's all you got to do. Just check these 2 fuses. I checked this one at first. It wasn't this. Everything looked cool inside of this one, but 9 times out of 10, that'll be this one. It's really long and thin. In this case, it was actually, you see, as you can see, it got the little boxes here, 4 boxes. That's 4 little fuses in here. It was actually the last one. So that's what we did to get this car popping again. And that's all you need. If you have any questions, man, if y'all got any questions, comment, let me know, ask me. I'll answer your questions. Whatever videos you need me to put up, let me know, man. Subscribe to my channel. I will be putting up all types of videos on how to do it yourself. All right? If you're an entrepreneur like me, you're gonna want to follow this page. So hop on him. Thanks.